Okay, so the next model we're going to have a look at is the EPX. The EPX is Peplink's powerhouse router. It is the most powerful cellular router in the world. The EPX is a rapidly deployable unit which can be configured on the fly. It consists of a 2U rack mountable main chassis and has 8 expansion module slots. The version shown here does not have any expansion modules installed. Currently you can combine up to 18 category 6 or category 12 cellular connections or 12 category 18 cellular connections together. The cellular modules currently available for the EPX are category 6, category 12 and category 18. The category 6 and 12 versions have 3 cellular connections each with 6 SMA cellular antenna connectors and 1 SMA GPS connector. Category 6 version is capable of 300 megabits download and 50 upload per modem. Category 12 is capable of 600 megabits per second download and 150 megabytes upload. On the Category 18 version, it's a bit different. We have 2 cellular modems instead of 3. There are 8 SMA connectors, and there's for the cellular, and then there's 1 SMA connector for the GPS. The Category 12 version is capable of 1.2 gigabits per second download and 150 megabits per second upload per modem. All 3 versions have 2 SIM slots per modem. Other expansion modules available for the EPX are the Ethernet and fiber modules. The Ethernet module gives you 8 gigabit Ethernet ports, which can be individually configured as LAN or WAN. PoE is available on all ports. The fiber module gives you 4 SFP plus interfaces, allowing you to connect the EPX to your network at up to 10 gigabits per second. These ports can also be configured as LAN or WAN. Using the fiber module allows you to avoid creating a bottleneck in your network. We're also working on new modules, so when 5G is available, there will be an expansion module for that as well. We'll also be introducing other modules for different technologies. So let's have a look at the spec sheet. So the chassis is rated at 30 gigabits per second. So that's a massive amount of throughput available there. As there are many combinations of the router, as there are many combinations of the EPX, we offer some default SKUs for the most popular deployments. However, if you need a different combination, please get in contact. We even have one client that fully populated some EPXs just with fiber modules and used them as a fiber switch, as they wanted a full Peplink stack, including fiber switches. So on the spec sheet, we also have the available expansion modules. Okay, so question time. If you have a client that was after a router which can be upgraded to 5G when available, which of the following models would you recommend they purchase? So the answer is C and D. Both the MBX and the EPX can be upgraded to the latest standards. With the MBX, you have to upgrade all of the cellular modules at the same time. On the EPX, you're free to upgrade module by module. So you can test out one 5G module and see if 5G is truly available and beneficial for your setup before upgrading the remaining modules. So to summarize the EPX, so this is the world's most powerful cellular router. It will suit clients with the larger budgets who demand the absolute best with 0 downtime. It provides flexible connectivity options, which can easily be changed for different situations. The router is 2U, rack mountable, so it will take up some space. So with the EPX, you can expect a much longer service life than other products due to the massive amount of throughput available on this router. Ongoing costs will depend on the upgrades that the client wants. Again, like the MBX, it'll be much cheaper to upgrade the modules than replacing the whole router.